Namaste. Let's do some restorative poses to relax the tired body and tense mind. We will start with Vajrasana, the Thunderbolt pose. Slide your legs in and under your hips. Keep your big toes together, heels apart. The hips are resting in the cup shape you form between your heels. Your back is straight, shoulders relaxed. Place your hands on your thighs. Take a deep breath in. Feel your breath. As you exhale, start lowering your body towards the floor. Gently stretch your arms out in front of you and rest your forehead on the mat, coming into Balasana. Breathe. Now here in Balasana, if you feel that keeping your forehead on the mat is not very comfortable, you can make a cushion, a pillow with your arms like this. Or you can place your one fist over the other and then rest your forehead. Or just bring in a cushion and rest your forehead over that cushion. We want this practice to be absolutely relaxed. Now, if sitting in Vajrasana is placing too much pressure on your ankles, you can use a towel or a blanket, fold it evenly like this, and place it under your ankles. This will be the perfect cushioning your ankles need, and you will be able to stay in Vajrasana and from there in Balasana. If you feel that keeping your knees together in Thunderbolt position or in child's pose isn't available, widen your thighs. That is, take your knees away from each other. By doing so, you will have enough room to sink in deeper while you are in your child's pose. Do everything that will make you feel comfortable in these poses. So while you are in your child's pose, gently take your arms by your side and let go of your shoulders. Your shoulders are absolutely relaxed. And as you breathe, you feel the movement of your belly. When you inhale, the belly rises against your thighs. As you exhale, it goes back. Forehead is resting. The back is relaxed. The shoulders are falling towards the floor. Breathe and observe the movement of your abdomen as you inhale and as you exhale. Your eyes are closed, mind is calm, body is relaxed. Now slide your hand above your head. We are going to bend the elbows. You can place the elbows by the sides of your ears and gently bring your palms together. Like in a namaste position, palms together. As soon as you bring your hands together, the tips of the fingers touching each other, feel the energy. Bring your attention towards the energy that you feel in your fingertips right now. Breathing through the nostrils, breathing softly, and focusing on the exchange of energy between your hands through the fingertips. Your eyes are closed, the breath is soft, the body is relaxed, and the mind is quiet. Release your hands, and from there, gently lift your head just a little bit off the floor. Now guide your left arm out towards the right side. Feel a gentle stretch in your left shoulder blade and rest the left ear on your right forearm. Balasana. Breathe here. Keep your eyes closed. Gently coming out of the side, bringing your left arm out and sending the right arm out to the other side, resting the right ear either on the mat or make a pillow with your left forearm. This time, as you breathe, focus on the stretch you feel in the right shoulder blade, and at the same time, feel the movement of your abdomen. Your breath is soft, smooth, and deep. Gently coming out of it. And once again, taking a few deep breaths in Balasana. And from there, just when you feel ready, come onto your belly. We are going to relax in Makarasana. So fold your arms like this. Keep them parallel to the shorter edge of the mat, and rest your forehead on your hands. Now your legs are comfortably apart. Bring your big toes together and let your heels fall freely. Rest there. Bring all your attention to your breath. As you inhale, your belly rises, touching against the mat. As you exhale, it goes back. Your body is absolutely relaxed and fully supported. Your attention is on your breath, and the breath is smooth, deep, and effortless. Practicing restorative poses like these regularly are highly effective. They provide deep relaxation, lower high blood pressure. They loosen the stiffness, the tightness in hips and spine, thereby improving the quality of life. I'm sure you enjoyed this video and that you will practice it yourself regularly and share it with others as well. Do share your feedback and subscribe to my channel, Shakti Yoga with Shaili. Stay fit.